Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to insert multiple columns in Excel very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the column or where you want to insert the new column. So for example, I want to insert the new column on the left side of the D column. So for example, I want to insert two new column. So then press and hold the left side of mouse and drag to the right side. You can see I selected two column. So after this, click the right side of mouse and here you can see insert. So just click on it and you can see two new column are inserted on the left side of the D column. So if you want to insert more than two column, so again press and hold the left side of mouse. So you can see now I selected four column. So when I will press or click the right side of mouse and then click on insert, the new column will be inserted on the left side of the I column. So guys, in this way you can insert multiple column in Excel very easily. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.